we are back on another Volatility 75 awesome strategy to grow a small account and make great profits. So what we're seeing on the market right now is a very good perfect chart, right? And we're using the same setup for RSI and MACD indicators and also the moving averages, right? So what we're seeing on this market, right? So I'm going to explain what you can do using this MACD indicator, which is perfect. So one thing I like about this MACD indicator is that it helps to see our price moves quickly and shortly, right? So first of all, we're seeing a downtrend on this position right now. We're seeing a downtrend on the MACD. Okay, we're seeing a downtrend. Let's take a look at it. Remember, when you want to draw your trend lines, always draw your trend lines from the tip of the trend, right? Always draw your trend lines. Now take a look at this point. This is where you want to draw your trend lines. Then you draw another trend line from the down. Okay, draw another trend line from the down. Make sure it touch this point. Okay, make sure it touch this point. So we're seeing a sell position, right? We're seeing a sell, and any moment from now this market will buy, right? So what I'm just going to do on this trade is to use this indicator and trend lines alone. Like I said, this market is a sell. You can see that it's in a downtrend, and the moving averages is showing us that this market is going downwards, right? So if you are in a position like this is not the time for you to place a sell, because the market has already sold for a particular period of time. And if we go to the 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame is giving us a buy. Right now this market is buying. Right now it's a buy because the market has already sold, so it's going to buy, right? It's going to buy. So what we're going to do is to wait after the market has bought on the 1 minute time frame before we place another sell. Right, like I said, the market is going to buy because it's buying right now on the 1 hour time frame, right? And on the MACD, this is a perfect indicator as well. If you want to trade this volatility 5 perfectly, all you need to do is to wait when the MACD touches the level of 90 on the RSI. You place a sell. Take a look at it. There's a sell here and there's a buy here. So these are two opportunities which I've set for this trade, right? I mark here for a sell. So when this MACD touches this level of 90, is a good entry for a sell. You can see if you trace it upwards, let's trace it, guys. Trace it from here to this point. Take a look at it. The next one was a sell, a very big sell opportunity. So this is a perfect entry for you to make massive profit on the market. And I think this also works on the 1 hour time frame, right? On the 1 hour time frame, let's check it out. You see it works on the 1 hour time frame as well. Perfect opportunity. So if you are a 1 hour trader, a 1 minute trader, you can make massive profits with this type of strategy that I'm sharing with you guys right now. Okay, it always works all the time. It's not that it works before and it's not going to work again. It always works all the time, right? It's always going to work because that's this indicator for you. It always works. And when it gets to the level of 10, take a look at it. It will buy. Even though it retests, it's going to buy again. It's going to buy, right? It's going to buy. Okay, so if you want to make massive profit from this market, all you just need to do is to wait for this two entry and the perfect opportunity for you to place entry and a sell. Take a look at here. At this point there was a sell, right? And there's a level you need to use when trading. There's a level you need to use. So right now this level we shall have used is we'll zoom out right now. I'm gonna zoom in 1 2 3, right? Third zoom, perfect. Third zoom level, perfect, right? Take a look at this point. It touches, it bought. Okay, the market bought, right? Even though it retests at this point, see after here it bought. This is a very big buy. It's sold again, but it sold again, but upwards. If you draw your lines right here, you can see it upwards. Okay, traded upwards. Perfect opportunity for you to to make massive profit from the volatility 75 market. Okay, perfect opportunity, right? So like I told you guys that this market would buy, right? I told you it buy. Okay, so if you are on the volatility 75, right, and you want to predict when the market will buy or it will sell, you go to the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame, right? In the 1 hour time frame, when you see that this market has sold for a particular period of time, when the market has sold for a particular period of time, know that the next entry is a buy. Is a buy. Take a look at this point. The market sold from here to this point. It bought. It sold again. It bought. You can see. So these are what you need to see ahead of the market, right? These are things you need to understand when you're trading volatility 75, right? So I don't know if breakout structure strategy using trend lines is going to work on volatility 75 because I haven't tested it. Okay, so I only share with you guys strategy that I've tested and that I've seen that works for me. That's what I'm sharing to you guys, right? That's the strategy that I'm sharing for you guys. Working strategy, and all my strategy are always working because people are testifying that they work. Okay, they're testifying that they work all the time, right? So these are what you need to do. Check the 1 hour time frame. Only the 1 hour time frame. Always check the one. If you're a 1 minute trader, check the 1 hour time frame to confirm your entry before going back to the 1 minute time frame to enter into your position, right? Take a look. This market bought, like I said, it's going to buy, right? So I believe after watching this video you understand how to trade volatility 75 using this simple technical analysis that I've just shared with you guys and the MACD indicator, right? So, and if you want to know the setup for the MACD, the fast EMA on MACD I use 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9, right? Then I apply to close. Then the time frame I use all time frames. The main I use it on 2 pixel, or I use black color and signal 2 pixel and red color, right? Then I click on done. Then the RSI measure indicator, very good indicator. Period on 14, apply to close, levels 10 and 90. The time frame, all time frames. The style is on 2 pixel, while the color is blue. I use on the first trend line here, this first line at this point. Okay, so what I've done right here, I just mistakenly reset the RSI, so I'm quickly going to set it, right? Remember, I'll use on period. The level is 90, here is going to be on 10, while remember when the price gets to a level of 90, we're going to put on sell, right? Market's going to sell, and when it gets to a level of 10, the market's going to buy, right? The market's going to buy. Okay, so let me check it quickly. So I'm going to change the setup right real quick. I'm using color black, right? And the click on done. Okay, black color on 2 pixel, on 2 pixel, guys. 2 pixel, the levels 2 pixel. Click on done. Let's see, right? Perfect. So we are back, and this blue line right here on of the RSI on 2 pixel, 2 pixel, done. 2 pixel, perfect. Okay, we're back. Perfect, guys. So you put on sell and buy opportunity, right? When market gets to this point, it's going to sell. Take a look at it, sell. When it gets to the level of 10, it's going to buy. Okay, it's going to buy. So this is the perfect strategy for you to trade right 75 using the RSI. Okay, and the moving average is the period on 200, shift 0, y apply to exponential, the method exponential period, then you apply to close. You apply to close, don't add any levels, while the style is going to be on 2 pixel, while you are using the purple lines, right? Then you click on done. So these are the two indicators which I use for trading Forex VIX 75 index. Perfect strategy for you to make profits daily. Massive profits, guys. Massive profits. It's always work all the time. Take a look. It's always work. Going back to historical trend, before using any of my strategy, make sure you practice well, right? You practice well before using any of the strategy which I'm sharing with you guys. They work, but you know, you need to practice with them very well. Okay, you need to practice with them very well. They work all the time. Take a look. They work perfectly. This is how you make massive profit from these markets. Massive profit, guys. Massive profit and massive. Take a look at it. It's sold, right? Massive profits. Perfect entry, perfect opportunity. So this is a very good strategy for you to make profit trading via X75 index. So I believe after watching this video, you now understand how to use technical analysis, the RSI indicator and MACD indicator to trade perfectly on VIX75. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, do well to like and subscribe to the Daily Forex on YouTube, right? To see more awesome trading tips and strategy. I'll see you guys on the next video.